Condition-based maintenance is as simple as it sounds. The way that you operate your vehicle or equipment, that is how you maintain your vehicle. If you run your truck as a snowplow truck, you're going to have a completely different maintenance cycle than someone who's operating their vehicle in Florida that never sees salt conditions at all. If you have a vehicle that's a refrigeration truck, it's going to have lots of hours of idle time, and if it's in the city, it's going to have very little drive time. A completely different maintenance schedule. So all that we're saying is when you hear the phrase condition-based maintenance, I want you to think about how the vehicle or equipment is being used should determine exactly how that maintenance schedule is followed. Now, all manufacturers come out with a maintenance schedule, and it's up to the interpretation of the fleet service or the manager or the mechanic to figure out which one is going to apply closest to your vehicle. And they may have a number of factors: engine hours, time duration, or even the miles per gallon or miles per hour consumed will tell how hard the vehicle is working. They'll also have other factors like vocational use, your trash trucks, and equipment that has a completely different service life. So when you think about condition-based maintenance and then you leverage AI, it's about training the models and training the AI to read the tables in the data set based on real-world examples, and that is how you get a fantastic assistant to be your fleet manager while leveraging the capabilities of AI to monitor data 24/7. That's something that we're building at Revit Auto. With our software Downtime Terminator, you're going to be able to leverage condition-based maintenance and an AI algorithm that's going to be able to reduce your downtime, reduce your major breakdowns, and save you a ton of headache in scheduling and planning your maintenance schedules.